I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
Yeah, awesome. Can I shut the door for info real quick?
Shut the doors.
Yeah, I was just getting info real quick I appreciate it, man. Is it louder with the doors closed too? Do you know? It is? It is? Okay. Could you tell me what I was in here real quick first?
I got 4 HDS 315s on 5K.
What amp?
DC audio.
DC. Oh, there it is. Is it what is it wired to?
Half ohm.
What's your electrical like?
I got a 320 up in the front and 3 Group 31s under the bottom.
Okay.
That's it. Just regular power.
Wow.
No lithium yet.
And you built the box?
When?
When did you build the box?
Yeah, I built it.
That looks good, dude.
About a year ago.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just
awesome.
off the head. It's a 1-to-2 ratio, 4th order.
What's it tuned to?
45.
45?
Yeah,
all
it's
right.
more musical than anything.
Yeah, gotcha. Okay. I'd love to hear it now, man. Appreciate it. Yes. Jessica.
I'm gonna record you too, man. Let me get a little video.
Ready? You can use the umbrella. It's probably pretty hot. You wanna get in? Left?
Till I pull via. Lifestyle, I think you should leave. Till I move out, don't some shit that you wouldn't believe. Can't handle my lifestyle, I think you should leave. Do some shit that you wouldn't believe. Can't handle my lifestyle, I think you should leave. Till I provide. that you wouldn't believe. Can't handle my lifestyle, I think you should leave. Till up over here.
That's pretty musical for 1.5K. That's really good, man. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Ivan.
Ivan.
Yeah.
Jacob.
All right.
Yep.
That's your YouTube channel?
Yeah, Jacob Viral.
I'll follow you.
You'll like it. Yeah, man.
From the outside? The outside?
Door
Yeah.
base broke
Yeah.
it. Appreciate it, man. You have a fun day. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.